A flawless lash look begins with the right lash glue. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned lash pro, a good adhesive ensures your lashes stay put without discomfort or mess. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 best lash glues on the market, breaking down their features, benefits, and performance. From waterproof formulas to long-lasting hold, these lash glues have you covered. Let's dive in and find the perfect adhesive for your needs. Kicking off our list at number 1, Ardell LashTite. The Ardell LashTite is a cult favorite among lash enthusiasts, offering a professional-grade adhesive that ensures long-lasting wear. This glue is specifically designed for individual lashes, making it a reliable choice for those who prefer a natural yet dramatic lash look. Key features: Ardell LashTite is latex-free and comes with a waterproof formula, ensuring that your lashes stay secure through rain, sweat, and tears. It dries to a clear finish, blending seamlessly with your natural lashes. Additionally, its gentle formula minimizes the risk of irritation, making it suitable for sensitive eyes. Benefits and usage: this adhesive provides a secure hold for up to 2 weeks, making it ideal for semi-permanent lash applications. It's perfect for everyday wear or special occasions, ensuring your lashes look flawless all day long. Applying it is straightforward, just a small amount on the lash band does the trick. Usability: Ardell LashTite is beginner-friendly yet professional-grade, catering to lash enthusiasts of all levels. Its quick-drying formula reduces waiting time, allowing for efficient application. It's compatible with a wide range of lash styles, giving you versatility in your looks. Durability: known for its robust hold, this glue withstands daily activities without budging. Its waterproof quality ensures your lashes remain intact, whether you're at the gym or enjoying a night out. Proper removal with Ardell Lash Remover ensures the glue doesn't damage your natural lashes. In the second spot, we have Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. The Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive is a game-changer for strip lash lovers. Renowned for its secure hold and ease of use, this adhesive has become a staple in makeup kits worldwide. Its gentle formula caters to all skin types, including sensitive eyes. Key features: this lash glue is latex-free and enriched with aloe, ensuring a gentle application process. Its transparent finish blends seamlessly with lashes, and its precision tip applicator makes it easy to control the amount of glue applied. Benefits and usage: perfect for daily use, this glue offers a strong hold that keeps strip lashes in place all day. The inclusion of aloe soothes the lash line, minimizing irritation. To use, apply a thin line to the lash band, wait for it to become tacky, and press it onto your lash line. Usability: the precision tip applicator makes this adhesive especially user-friendly, even for beginners. Its clear-drying formula eliminates the need for eyeliner touch-ups, making the application process straightforward. Durability: Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive is designed to hold up against daily activities, including mild humidity and occasional tears. It remains comfortable and secure throughout wear, and its easy removal ensures no damage to your natural lashes. Coming in at number 3 is the Huda Beauty Lash Glue. The Huda Beauty Lash Glue is a luxury adhesive crafted to complement high-end false lashes. Known for its exceptional hold and premium formula, this glue is a go-to for makeup enthusiasts who value quality and performance. Key features: Huda Beauty Lash Glue offers a waterproof formula that ensures all-day wear. It dries quickly to a clear finish, providing an invisible bond between your natural lashes and falsies. The formula is gentle, making it suitable for sensitive eyes. Benefits and usage: this adhesive provides up to 24 hours of wear, making it ideal for long events or parties. Its quick-drying formula simplifies the application process, and the clear finish ensures a flawless lash look. A thin line of glue on the lash band is all you need for a secure hold. Usability: the Huda Beauty Lash Glue is designed for effortless application. Its precision applicator allows for controlled use, ensuring minimal mess. It works well with a variety of lash styles, from natural to dramatic. Durability: with its strong and waterproof formula, this glue ensures your lashes stay in place no matter the occasion. Proper removal with a gentle makeup remover ensures your natural lashes remain healthy. Taking our fourth spot is L'Oréal Paris Voluminous Lash Adhesive. The L'Oréal Paris Voluminous Lash Adhesive is a trusted choice for those seeking a high-performing yet affordable lash glue. This adhesive offers a seamless blend of functionality and style, ensuring your lashes look flawless. Key features: this adhesive features a latex-free and waterproof formula that dries clear for an invisible finish. Its precise applicator ensures easy and mess-free application, catering to both beginners and professionals. Benefits and usage: designed for strip lashes, this glue offers a strong hold that lasts all day without causing discomfort. Its clear finish complements a wide range of lash styles, making it a versatile addition to your makeup routine. Applying it is simple, just a thin layer on the lash band, followed by placement on the lash line. Usability: the precision applicator and quick-drying formula make this adhesive extremely user-friendly. It's perfect for touch-ups on the go, ensuring your lashes always look on point. Durability: L'Oréal Paris Voluminous Lash Adhesive is built to last, standing up to humidity, sweat, and occasional tears. It maintains a secure hold throughout wear, and its gentle formula makes removal hassle-free. And finally, at number 5, we have Eyelure Lashfix. The Eyelure Lashfix adhesive is a versatile and reliable option for lash enthusiasts who value comfort and security. Its gentle formula is suitable for everyday use and complements a variety of lash styles. Key features: this adhesive is latex-free and dermatologically tested, ensuring it's safe for sensitive eyes and skin. It dries clear, creating an invisible bond between your natural lashes and falsies. Its compact packaging makes it ideal for travel. Benefits and usage: Eyelure Lashfix provides a secure hold for strip lashes, ensuring they stay in place throughout the day. Its gentle formula minimizes the risk of irritation, making it suitable for extended wear. Simply apply a thin layer to the lash band, wait for it to become tacky, and press it onto your lash line for a seamless application. Usability: the compact packaging and user-friendly applicator make this adhesive a favorite among beginners and experts alike. Its clear-drying formula ensures a polished lash look with minimal effort. Durability: Eyelure Lashfix is designed to withstand daily activities, including mild humidity and occasional tears. Its secure hold ensures your lashes remain in place, and its gentle formula allows for easy removal without damaging your natural lashes. Choosing the right lash glue is essential for achieving a flawless lash look. Whether you prioritize durability, ease of use, or a gentle formula, the top 5 best lash glues we've discussed today offer something for everyone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips and product reviews. Let us know in the comments which lash glue you're excited to try, and we'll see you in the next video.